Are you looking for the best hair clippers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best hair clippers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Senior. We've tested many Wahl clippers and understand why barbers rely heavily on them to get the job done. The brand's classic professional 5-Star Series Senior Clipper makes at-home grooming much easier with minimal maintenance and 3 attachment comb cutting guides. Eric Becker of Blind Barber says, regardless of whether you choose either corded or cordless clippers, it is the best all-around clipper for taking care of your hair or beard. Celebrity barber Vernon Scott has been using the Wahl Senior Clipper for over 25 years and credits its efficiency, accuracy, and weight as major winning factors behind his loyalty. This one checks all the right boxes, and the newer cordless hair clipper version is a game-changer. Whether it's for on-scalp tapering and fading, it brings precision and speed to the table. With blades that are adjustable and zero-gap, let's just say for close trims, this clipper doesn't miss. You really can't go wrong with these for a professional-level cut, but they're best in the hands of people who have used clippers before. They're that powerful. So unless you've been cutting your own hair for years, you may want to opt for something a little more beginner-friendly or have someone show you how to use them safely. Number 2. Andis Master Cordless Hair Clipper. We've been using this product for over 5 years and have found the most valuable feature is the blades. They're overlap blades, which means they'll bring precision and detail to your lines and edges. They're also adjustable, from fine to coarse, or size 000 to 1, making them more versatile than ever. Some consider the Andis Master the greatest hair clipper ever, says Barber Pedro Rosario. He adds that they're powerful, durable, and with proper maintenance, cleaning and oiling after every use, they can last a lifetime. Rosario also loves that these clippers are cordless. From its high-speed rotary motor and quality blades to its timeless metallic look, these clippers rank first in their class and are treasured by a generation of barbers. The battery lasts 90 minutes from a 1-hour charge, though the motor may still weaken around the 80 to 85-minute mark. Still, it's lightweight to hold considering its high-powered motor. The only downside to the motor is that this clipper is quite loud, which can be distracting during the cutting process. Number 3. Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip. Maxime Belmar, barber and founder of KRWN Barbershops in Montreal, Canada, loves this sharp and easy-to-use clipper because it's a heavy-duty clipper and cuts so cleanly that it can pull double duty as a detailer for crisp lineups and razor-sharp beard lines. Featuring crunch technology, a convenient taper lever, superior speed, and a rechargeable battery, this clipper has all of the professional-grade features of its corded predecessor above, but in a sleekly designed, more modern cordless package. In addition, it's versatile enough for different hair textures and haircuts, whether you're aiming for line fading or removing your hair in bulk. In other words, the magic is truly in the blades. Like the corded version, keep in mind that this is still a professional strength tool though, so if you're new to clippers, there's going to be a learning curve in order to use them well and safely. The motor is powerful and the blades are sharp, so be careful. Number 4. BaBylissPRO Barberology SilverFX. The BaBylissPRO SilverFX clipper has the ultimate trifecta of power, design, and cutting performance. It may be on the pricey side, but you get a bang for your buck. Not only does it arrive with a high-carbon stainless steel blade and brushless motor, but it takes care of all hair textures. The versatility of this cordless hair trimmer makes it a favorite of hairstylist Vaughn Accord. The performance, namely the speed and sharpness, is unparalleled, he says. Since he moves around a lot, the fact that it's a cordless hair clipper is a huge plus for him and a bonus for anyone using it at home. If you're trimming or cutting at home, it allows you to move without limitation, which is imperative for getting an even cut, he says. Whether you're a barber or new to using clippers, it is the perfect addition to your stash of grooming tools. Just think, it features a 5-detent taper control, Ferrari-designed engine, and multiple comb attachments. Number 5. Panasonic SB40 K Cordless Hair Trimmer. We'd love these clippers just for their prowess as a beard trimmer, but they bring the same power and ease of use to cut the hair on top of your head, too. It's not the kind your barber uses, but if you're looking for a clipper that can cut literally head to toe, you can't go wrong with this one. The quick adjust dial gives you 19 length options without switching guards, and the powerful 9,800 cuts per minute motors can chop through even the thickest of hair with ease. You even have the option to use it with the cord or without, depending on your preference. We've been using the ER-SB40K since 2021, and it still cuts closer and faster than some of the newest hair clippers on the market. That's thanks to its powerful yet quiet motor that plows through even the thickest hair to get the exact look you want. You really can't argue with the convenience of having a trimmer that can easily and safely trim everywhere on your body. Keep in mind, though, that what you sacrifice in the name of convenience is that, while this is powerful for an at-home trimmer, it's not as powerful as a professional-grade trimmer. That's probably okay, because you're not cutting your own hair multiple times every day. But if you have especially thick or coarse hair on your head, it's something to keep in mind.